Hello again! Welcome back to Crypto Cash, where we go over many ways to make crypto. So to begin with, the Enjin token ENJ appreciated by about 15,000% after starting 2021 at $0.13 a share. ENJ reached the all-time highs at $4.82 by the end of November 2021. In the last months of that year and start of 2022, the coin experienced severe losses, reaching a loss of $1.38 on January 22, 2022. And as of now, it's actually somewhere under $1. The thing is that the Enjin cryptocurrency is one of a kind. Unlike other cryptocurrencies, it focuses on NFTs, games, and various other apps and assets on the network. Unlike other cryptocurrencies that solely operate as a currency like dollars, although it may still be traded like other cryptocurrencies, but the main focus is not on just trading. Enjin is for gamers, and it solves the issue of gamers not being compensated for the time they spend playing. As a result, a new form of game has been developed, one in which digital goods may be traded for money. Enjin's marketplace has a wide variety of things for sale. Since Dogecoin, for example, does not have any built-in usage, this is a far better solution. The Enjin coin is now more suitable as a result. Enjin's ability to integrate into games is one of its many strengths. The Enjin coin, on the other hand, is a currency that can be used to buy, sell, or trade NFTs, just like any other. Players will be able to purchase a variety of game products using the currency. Because of this, the token is sure to be a hit with MMORPG gamers. Do not lose sight of the fact that digital currencies have a significant degree of volatility, and if you're going to invest, conduct your own study beforehand. But Enjin's value is expected to steadily rise over the next decade, according to experts' cryptocurrency price predictions. A moderately affordable coin that's perfect for novices. Aim for gamers searching for a unique way to play. It might be a good investment in a rising sector that allows users to make money from their games. Enjin comes with a fully functional and secure digital wallet built in. As a casual player searching for additional revenue streams, Enjin may be worth exploring. Similarly, if you're an investor who believes that the crypto gaming sector will only expand, now may be a great time to join in. For short-term traders, or those who simply wish to make an educated guess on the price, time is extremely important. The optimum moment to purchase may be determined by a number of variables, including the present pricing of Enjin, technical indicator analysis, and any news or happenings that may have an influence on a coin's future prospects. But Enjin's desire to generate and acquire assets will rise as more users join the platform. Keep an eye out for any indications of this happening in the media. For those who believe the platform will continue to expand in popularity, you should hold on to it. If you are a gamer that wishes to utilize it to trade in-game assets, this may be a decent investment. Buying ENJ coins on an exchange is the best option if you believe Enjin's future is bright. It's best to use these because they provide the most options and allow you to keep your tokens a long time. You may wish to acquire a wallet for additional protection when it comes to storing your money. You should look for a broker with cheap trading costs if you're a short-term trader. For the most part, cheaper fees, plus the current market price and some trading tactics are the most important factors to consider. The coin is predicted to be worth $2.29 in 1 year and $7.04 in 5 years' time, according to wallet investors' projections. The Enjin coin price forecast for 2022 indicates that ENJ might reach $1.50 by November, while their most bullish long-term Enjin coin price forecast is $6 by 2027, and according to priceprediction.net, ENJ will be worth $5.62 on average by 2025. Despite this, its Enjin price projection for 2030 predicts an average cost of $36.73 and a price of $54.42 in 2031. But also, digital coin price predicts an average cost of $2.04 year 2025, then declining towards $1.85 by 2026. ENJ is expected to balance out at $2.58 in 2027 and rise to $4.80 in 2030, according to the forecast. But all if not most projections seem positive. Years ago, in the beginning, ENJ was unable to break through the $0.10 level, announcing a relationship with Samsung in March 2019. Enjin stated that Enjin is Samsung's wallet of choice. Enjin committed to help Samsung create its very own cryptocurrency wallet, which uses a secure and private key management mechanism to hold cryptocurrency securely. Immediately on the announcement, ENJ surged to a high of $0.21. After a period of stabilization around $0.20, Enjin has lately begun to rise. Following Efinity's introduction on the Polkadot blockchain, this was its flagship parachain, launched with more than 100 games and applications. On April 4, 2022, it rose to $1.88. Since then, ENJ has erased these gains and is currently trading at less than $1. It was a busy year for gaming in 2021, and the Enjin ecosystem might have another exciting year in 2022 with the debut of Efinity. So using Enjin, gamers can keep track of their virtual currency across numerous games. It also includes several tokens that symbolize distinct game things, such as character accessories or swords. In order to produce and destroy things in the game and also to make money, developers should follow these steps. Acquisition. ENJ may be purchased through cryptocurrency exchanges by game creators. ENJ minting. After purchasing ENJ, the developers begin working on their design of the merchandise. It's up to the creators to create in-game currency, weapons, tanks, and spacecraft, as well as personalities, plots of land, and planets. Any assets in-game may be minted, as can any in-game object. ENJ has been used to mint every digital asset, so it has a real-world value. Infusing gaming objects with the ENJ and converting them into ERC1155 tokens is what the word minting simply refers to. For a variety of reasons, gamers collect coins and employ those in the game. Trading. Tokens can be exchanged between players at any time. Selling tokens for ENJ after they've been melted down. Gaming. ENJ-based digital assets can be purchased in two ways. Reward points in-game, which is obtaining some in-game cash through quest completion, referrals, or tree harvesting, and then using that in-game currency to make an in-game bow are all examples of mission completion. Purchases. You have peer-to-peer, in-game, or official marketplace purchases from game producers, either direct or approved, and controlled secondary marketplaces. Melting. So this may be done by melting ENJ-based virtual goods, using a cryptocurrency exchange to buy Enjin coin. The process of converting ENJ-backed virtual goods back to Enjin coin is known as melting. Minting is the exact opposite of melting, except for one critical difference. The proportion of ENJ that may be obtained by melting an object. Percentage cannot be below 50%, as it is entirely up to the game developer who created the item. For example, a sword coined with 2 ENJ and then burned would yield 1 ENJ for the developers and 1 for the gamers. Melting is the worst case scenario, since it signifies that the inherent growth of the digital object is less than the ENJ-backed value. It signifies that now the service or the game has been shut down, and therefore, the coins have no value. And it is worth mentioning that back in 2009, the Enjin network has first launched. As a result of its success, it now has more than 20 million registered users. Enjin raised $18.9 million in its initial coin offering when the Enjin coin was released. The funds generated were put to good use in advancing the blockchain technology. But as always, you should definitely do more of your own research prior to investing in any type of asset. Risk tolerance, market knowledge, portfolio diversification, and comfort with financial loss should all be factors in your selection. Don't spend any more that you can potentially lose. And keep in mind that previous success is not a guarantee of future results. I hope you were able to learn from the video about the potential with the Enjin coin. Take care!